Hi everyone, here's an introduction on how to connect the Domino Plate to the Domino DF 500. So as you can see here, I've got the Domino set up and this is set up on the 18mm. So when you put the plate on the Domino, the 18mm here that you're seeing is for an 18mm setting. And we also have a 12mm setting here. So to do that, using the supply thumb screws, you attach it in like that. Make sure that's tight, and that's how you set it for an 18mm. Now if I want to set it for a 12mm board, I will remove the handle here, T handle here, as well as these, and then flip that over, attach the handle, ensuring it is in the position where you're more comfortable when you're using the Domino. Now if I'm going to use the Domino plate on our new system, the jig system, you will receive this plate here. Now this plate consists of 4 countersunk screws, and they are positioned in this configuration here. The pins will be on the outer ones and the attachment screws on the inner. So when I'm using it for an 18mm board, I will have it this way and then attach the screws here using the supplied X key. And then if I'm using on the for the 12mm, I remove these here, and this will also flip around like your handle, where the pins will be on the opposite side. Like so. And there you go, that's how to connect the Domino plate to the Domino DF 500. Thanks for watching.